Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, Miss.
How do you feel today?
I'm feeling good.
I'm hungry, Miss.
Same with
I'm sleepy, Miss.
Okay. Before we start our lesson today, let's pray by reciting basmalah together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Before we start our discussion today, I will check your attendance first. Is there any information today, guys?
Dika.
Just Dika.
Yes.
Pasha.
Yes.
Okay, Dika and Masa. Okay, let's see this picture, guys. Do you know what it is?
Cat.
Yes, I know.
Yes, I have.
Yes, this is a cat. And what do you think about this cat? I mean, this cat is small or big?
A little bit fat.
Gemoy.
A little bit fat.
And how about the color of the fur color
Green.
of this cat?
It is colorful and brown.
And how about the eyes of this cat?
Orange color.
Orange, yes, orange is. And then today we want to discuss about descriptive text. Okay, for learning objective of these lessons, students are able to identify the topic and generic structure of descriptive text, and then students are able to describe people or place using simple descriptive language features. And then let's move for the definition of descriptive text. Descriptive text is that text tell about what something or someone looks like, and it describes people, animal, place, or things in detail. The example like my cat is small and white, and it has blue eyes and soft fur. And let's move for the purpose of descriptive text. This descriptive text give information about something or someone and help the reader imagine clearly. Sometimes the reader are confused how the appearance of something, so this descriptive text help the reader to imagine it. And for the last, this descriptive text express feeling and impressions. And then let's move for the generic structure of this descriptive text. There are two of generic structure. There are identification and then description. This identification is introduce the person, place, or thing being described. So, in identification is place what you want to describe, like who or what you want to describe. Like we have discussed before, we discussed about the cat, and for the description, this description is contains about description parts, It talks about the qualities, the characteristic, and the appearance of something that we want to describe. And then let's move for the language features of descriptive text. The first, we use adjective. This adjective like beautiful, small, tall, and friendly. And then we use simple present tense. The simple present tense like she is tall and he has short hair. And all of descriptive text for the one from one paragraph until the last, we use simple present tense all of our text. And then in descriptive text we also use linking verb. These linking verbs like is, am, are, has, and have. And then we also use specific nouns. The specific nouns like my cat, the library, Mr. Daniel, and then figurative language. In figurative language is rarely found in descriptive text, but it also the language feature of descriptive text. Okay, to make the descriptive text clearly, let's see the example of descriptive text. This descriptive text is about my best friend, and there are generic structure like identification and description. In this example of identification, in the example of descriptive text on the identification, it introduces the best friend of Rosa, and it introduces if Rosa is her classmate and they know each other since elementary school. So this identification is part of introduce what who or what something they want to describe, and this description is about the character and the appearance of a person that she described. And let's analyze the language features. The red color, this is cold. Do you know, guys, the red color, this is include in language feature yang apa? Like tall, slim, kind, cheerful, and smart. Do you still remember this?
Adjective, Miss.
Yes. Good answer. This red color is adjective, and then we have a simple present, like I said before. This all of text use simple present, and then next the green color. This is called. Do you still remember, guys? Yeah, linking verb. And for the
Linking
last,
verb.
yeah, thank you, Putri. And for the last is orange or yellow color. This is called a specific noun. After, I think that's all for my explanation about descriptive text. Do you get it about our lesson today, guys?
Yes, Miss. Yes, Miss.
Okay, to know you are have already understanding, let's do the task. I have this example of text too, and your task is let's analyze the language features of this text, like the adjective, uh, the linking verb, and then the specific nouns. Do you get it? And I
Yes.
give you 5 minutes, and you can begin now.
Okay, then Miss.
So, anyone want to state about their task? Who want to state the adjective on this example text too? Okay, Isna, you can state your task.
Okay, I found the adjective is big. My school is big and beautiful. This is big and beautiful is adjective. And clean. The school is clean and comfortable. And kind and friendly. The teachers are kind and the students are friendly. Enough, Miss.
Okay, good. Big, beautiful, comfortable, clean, and friendly. It's called adjective. And then who want to state the analysis of linking verb? Okay, Putri, you can state your analysis about linking verb.
Found the word linking verb like is, are. So the example of in the sentence like my school is big and beautiful, and then the school is clean, and then the teachers are kind, and the last it has many classroom.
Ina?
Miss, yes.
Okay, please give applause for Mbak Putri. And for the last, who want to analyze the specific nouns on this text? Anyone? Okay. Miss Angie, you can state your analysis.
The specific nouns like my school, then my house, the library, a garden, the teachers and the students, Miss.
Yeah, that you have stated call specific nouns. I think because some of you have uh, can state the language feature, I think all of you have understand about our listen today. And now let's restate our discussion today. Let's review. So today we have discussed about descriptive text, and the descriptive text is that text tell what person, place, animal or things looks like. And do you still remember uh, the generic structure or the parts of descriptive text?
Yes, Miss.
Can you state?
The first is identification and description.
Yes, thank you. The first is identification and then description. This identification is introduce what thing you want to describe, and the description is tell about the characteristic and the appearance. And in a descriptive tag, we use adjective and simple present to describe something clearly, and the descriptive text help readers imagine and understand what we want to describe. I think that's all for our lesson today. And for The last, I have a task for you, and it will be homework. Let's make a group into two, and you can make tasks in your pair. Let's make your descriptive tag. You can describe your friends each other. Do you get it, guys?
Yes, Miss.
Okay.
Yes, Miss.
Because you have understand, I think enough for our lesson today. And thank you for your nice attention, and I'm sorry for all of my mistake. And for the last, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.